Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? Moto AK-47 here, cruising on back to the house. All right, just cleaned the bike up. Just went for a very quick ride. Just want to explain something to you guys real quick on my motorcycle on the 1100. All right, it was having a starting issue. All right, so that's why you guys have not seen the 1100 yet. All right, you've only seen the 750. I gotta make a 1100 video walk around of the bike. I made the 750 already, but it's at the shop, guys. It'll be done in about a week or so. Basically, it was my clutch wiring safety switch that wasn't allowing the bike to start, because I had power, I had lights and everything. When I went to click my start button, nothing happened. No turnover, no try to turn over, nothing. But I had all my lights and everything, so I was like, oh man, what the heck. So loaded the bike up on my truck, took it to Rider's Choice. My boy Bella is working on the bike for me, getting it fixed, getting a front tire on it as well, and an oil change. And I probably could have just did the oil change myself, but he was having it already there, so I just said, yeah, whatever, do the oil change too. And he actually had the tires in stock, the front tire in stock, so let him do that as well. But I'll be getting the 1100 back soon, guys, so that's where it's at. It's at the shop. I'll be making the video soon about the 1100, so don't get too worried. I got some videos coming up tomorrow. Got to do a bike night video tomorrow up at Valley View for you guys. Taking this bike, the 750, to Valley View bike night. Hopefully you'll see some other YouTubers there. I know Clutch Sanity probably will be there. My boy Dante and TJ will probably be there, so introduce you to those guys. Dante's probably gonna get his YouTube started real soon once he gets his GoPro. So I'm gonna teach him how to start moto vlogging with his camera, because I've been there too. I'm just starting out, and I'm still kind of new and starting out with this, so still getting new with the editing stuff, so bear with me, guys. All right, so that's all I want to talk to you guys about real quick. Also testing out this new camera angle, the height adjustment on here. So take care, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at Moto AK-47. Take care, have a great rest of your night. Peace.